My Whirlpool Cabrio Platinum washing machine is leaking from the detergent dispenser. It looks like too much water is being pumped at too fast of a rate. This YouTube video shows what it is doing. Can you give repair advice?
Can you guesstimate how old your Whirlpool is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
https://www.youtube.com/watch. V equals jfk_olgso.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes. I have already removed the top.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
All of the hoses to dispensers are fine, it is just overfilling the dispenser. Small amount of water flows out from under the front every time.
One moment while I get some information for you. Note it takes time to type and add links, so please be patient. Okay, the simple solution to this is just to slightly turn the water valves off a little to reduce the pressure to them. The water valve restrictor is likely bad, so if you want to change out the water valve you can, but I would just turn the cold and hot water valves down a little at the supply and it will not do that anymore. That is a cheaper solution. Thanks, and you can come back anytime for free follow-up questions.
Is the water valve restrictor the same thing as the washer water inlet valve? Part number W10853723. https://www.searspartsdirect.com/part number/W1034320/0026/110.html. Model number equals WTW8800-1 category name equals residential %20 washers and brand name equals Whirlpool #important details block.
Yes, that is the valve that has restrictors in it. Thanks, and you can come back anytime for free follow-up questions.
Also, the model number for my Whirlpool Cabrio Platinum washing machine is WTW8800-1. Thank you. I am ordering the valve.
Yes, no problem.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.